Welcome to my Charmed Store YouTube channel. Get ready to step into a world of fashion, lifestyle, and inspiration designed just for you. Here, we're all about helping you find stylish looks, must-have home essentials, and perfect gifts for any occasion. What you'll find here: style guides from everyday outfits to show-stopping ensembles. Discover how to dress your best with our style tips for men, women, teens, and kids. Product reviews. You will get the inside scoop on our latest finds with honest reviews and unboxings so you can shop smart. How-to videos. Learn expert tips for making the most of our kitchen and bathroom essentials, simplifying life in fun ways. Gift ideas. Find thoughtful, unique gift ideas for every special moment. Join our community. Hit subscribe to stay in the loop on the latest trends, exclusive offers, and behind-the-scenes peeks at MyCharmedStore. We're here to make shopping easy, fun, and totally inspiring. Let's make your everyday a little more charming.